Comes Mark. Oh, morning Mark, howdy. And here we are just out of Ashburton, me and Mark.
Out of Ashburton. White loves it, mate.
Yeah. And here we are in beautiful Timaru, and it's getting warm. It's only one bike we've seen so far, isn't it Mark? We only passed one bike.
Right.
Yet 6 bikes going the other way. I hope we're going to the right rally.
Yeah, you could have won, don't you? They're going the other way.
Yeah, cross. We've arrived, Mark's going to put up the marquee. We've got, I think, one of the better spots. Next to the toilet just down here, so we don't have to go fucking far. Here we have it. A few minutes later, Mark's got it. Absolutely perfect. babes on trikes, what do you know? Most people are starting to set up now, so we're way ahead of things. There's the bar. It will be full.
Cheers, Sid.
Yeah, cheers. Should have been here, Sid.
Yeah, we'll be here next time, mate.
Yeah.
Look, the Kiwi Ingenuity
Yeah,
book.
goes a long way. Look at that.
It does.
That's a branch that Mark found in a bit of wood. Look at that. It's got hopefully like, I think they sell DBs, but yeah. So there's 2 bags full of it. Yep. Starting to fill up now, you can smell that petrol oil.
No, he buys them on the international market.
Okay, yeah, you're right, yeah.
So that's why the place
Okay.
All hand painted. Good day. Shining your bikes at Pubbian for the show. There's Mark off to get some more photos. Big bikes, Mark, eh? Size of the engines. Oh, here's the 90 Buick, Sid. Here's one for Sid. It's taken me nearly 3/4 of the track to get around, but let's see what the Mighty Buell, the one and only Buell we've seen so far, for Sid. God, that's cool, man. That's real cool. Wow. An old Royal Enfield, shit. Yeah.
It was fun riding it.
Oh, hell yeah.
Jesus, right?
Where'd you ride it from?
Tuahiwi.
Where, how's that?
Just past Christchurch.
Oh, I can ride
Oh,
it,
I
yes.
know Tuahiwi,
Yep.
yeah.
Oh, very, very good. Shit.
It sounds like it should be far, far away.
Yeah.
It should be, but it's not.
It's
Yeah.
about 2 minutes out of Christchurch, so it's like, oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. That's maiden voyage with that bloody seat on it.
Really?
Yeah, I only put it on there last night.
Oh, right. Fucking hell.
Did you find it a good idea?
And
Oh,
too long. Yeah.
Right, you'll break my phone, won't it?
But sit on it properly. There you go. Look at that.
What do you reckon?
Isn't it? Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Actually,
that's fucking
and it's
awesome.
flush. That's it.
No, that,
There's
apart
all
from
the
this bit here,
suspension. It's just, there's nothing there.
no, but this bit here is a little bit narrower.
It's
Just a little bit. Could do it kicking
fat
that
ass,
out.
That's why then.
It's because I've got massive balls.
Yeah. Holy hell, that's a fucking beast.
Isn't it?
That's Mad Max sort of material, isn't it?
Gonna go get a photo of that probably.
Yeah. Right in the tent. Must be about 7 o'clock at night now, 8 o'clock.
And I got cat style.
Hello, Matt, come up here. Big round of applause for Matt. He's got a mighty fine mullet going on too. And he assures me he's very drunk and never played before. Fucking thing.